Hi everyone, in this video we are going to be talking about organisms and environment. This video is presented to you by College. Adaptations is the process of change by which an organism becomes better suited to its environment. For better understanding, it is the features that an organism has which allows it to survive in its habitat or environment. Let's see how cactus is adapted. So it has thick roots to gain more water. Stems has waxy coating to prevent evaporation, and the spines give protection. It also has fat stems to store more water. Next is polar bear. They have flat paws to stand on ice, fur to keep warm, white fur to camouflage, and a good sense of smell to find prey. Notice that polar bear is located in the North Pole, while cactus in a desert, two completely different habitats. So next we have water lily. They have air sacs to float on water, feathery roots, and flexible stems to withstand pressure, and flat leaves to float on water. So the water lily, polar bear, and cactus are adapted in different ways due to their different habitats. So see this lonely little fish over here? This one fish is known as an organism. But when it's joined with more of the same species, it's a population. And when many populations interact together, it's known as a community. When communities interact with non-living surroundings, it's known as an ecosystem. And many ecosystems put together form the biosphere. So let's take a look at biotic factors and which are living factors. There are new predator, diseases with when organisms do not have resistance to it, competition between organisms, and food, along with mating competition between the animals together. Next, we have abiotic factors, which are non-living factors. This include light intensity, temperature, moisture, oxygen availability. See this plant, mouse, bird, and cat. This shows food chains. The sequence of feeding relationships to trophic levels. Trophic levels are producer, primary consumer, secondary consumer, and tertiary consumer. So, all organisms in a food chain depend on each other, since obviously they depend on each other for food. So, here is a pyramid of numbers. It's a diagram showing the amount of energy lost at each level in the food chain. As you can see at the bottom, the producer has the most amount of energy. And next, primary consumers, secondary consumers, and the least contains tertiary consumers. So, energy is transferred through trophic levels, right? But only 10% of the energy held by that organism is passed on. What's the rest 90% used for? Life processes, heat energy, and excretion. So, here are the two main types of competition. Interspecific, which is competition between organisms of different species, and intraspecific, which is competition between organisms of the same species. That's it for today, everyone. If you want the PowerPoint version, just contact us. Don't forget to do the quiz. Link in the description.